For real, dude. Everybody trying to catch us.
And you flying.
You're like, damn.
I was like, damn. I looked over and I'm like,
Hey, for real, dude. I see everyone just did, bro. I was just like, damn. Middle of fucking nowhere, dog.
oh, yeah. That's just bad. And we're back. Got some good news today. I got a lip and some side skirts that we're gonna be installing today. But it's gonna be the same lip as that one, but it's a GV style. I really don't care for a lip, you know, but I just want it. I was gonna buy a full-on body kit, but the place I messaged is gonna take about like 2 months to make, so I'm straight on that. The hydro e-brake, we're gonna be installing that today as well. Not gonna really be going step by step, but my homie Sam was a great friend to give me 25 feet of brake line that I probably won't use all of it. Fuck out of here. All right. Alright fam, so today's the next day. I finally got the my bad, little brain fart. I finally got the hydro installed. Man, I can't even speak today. I'm pretty tired. I just woke up. I finished this kind of late. I bled the brakes. Everything's good. What else? So that's up and running. The hydro e-brake. I haven't tested it yet, because I'm waiting to show you guys me testing it on the first video. So I'm gonna test that, and then before we go do all that, I'm gonna go ahead and install the side skirts and then the front lip that I got, and that should be it. I don't think I have anything else in mind, and yeah, let's go. What the fuck?
You've got voicemail.
Alright, so we already finished up this side, you know, pretty durable. No bacon. I listened to one of Tyler Flacco's videos. What he did, instead of mounting one there and one there, we just started from the front, went all the way to the back. That causes no bacon. Can't guarantee you yet, because, you know, it's only been on for a couple minutes. So one side's done. I took the front bumper off, and this is the way I like to do it. So I grab self-tap screws, right? But first, before I do that, I grab a vice grip and I hold it in place. And the reason why I want to hold it in place is because it brings them really close together, so it has like a tighter how do you say, I don't know how to really explain it, but when the tap screw goes in, it like brings them closer together. They're closer, there's not much of a gap, and it keeps it in place. So I did that side already. It's pretty good. I did one going in because this side is pretty thick, so one going in, going out, and then 4 going back in. And then for the middle, I'm gonna clean this up. Some freaking how do you say, some drift stitches, and then I'm gonna put this one on here. But like I said, so since I'm gonna do the 4 on that side, probably should start from this way, that way. So what I'll do is I'll bring them close, grab your vice grips, and hold it together. And as you can see what I mean? It'll bring less of a gap. Tap screw in, and not looking too bad from the outside. But I might have to bring it in a little bit more, but you guys get the concept. So I'm gonna hurry up and do that, get that lip going on, finish the other side, and then let's go for the e-brake. All right, so it looks like we got the front bumper all done, and on to the next side skirt. All right, so it's ready. I got 1, I got 2. Finally finished that front lip, and of course that one's done. So we're gonna be taking off right now. I'm gonna have someone record while I rip that e-brake. I'm gonna show you guys that. Well, actually, I want to see too. I don't know if it's gonna pull both tires, but yeah, I'm gonna show you guys in a bit right now if that e-brake actually holds up both the tires. I mean, I've seen a bunch of videos on YouTube, you know, of people doing their hydros, but I've never seen one actually rip their hydro after the install. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna rip that. So let's go. Check one more time if it works. All right. Yep, it works. All right, fam. So we got this thing working. Looks like the hydro does work. Only thing is, I mean, I need another wheel. I'm gonna pick up a set of wheels. I already kind of paid half of them off. I bought some work wheels. Got the new lip, got the new side skirts, got the hydro installed. As you guys can see, the e-brake does work. So later in the future, I am gonna probably buy the dual, the actual calipers, and get those going on instead of just running the ones from the rear. You know, I have the other ones make sure it has its own master cylinder. So I have those separated from the front, so not all the lines are connected. So we'll technically just splice the line in the middle, let the front have its own, and the rear will have its own with its own master cylinder. Besides that, like I said, if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, shout me out. I still got that giveaway going on. I mean, if you like my build, what's going on, you know, technically it used to look all like this on one side, but I crashed a while back and had to replace a wheel and a control arm and a spindle. I showed you guys on my last videos. So, but I'll be having a new pair of wheels probably by the end of the month. If you guys want a free Roach Coach sticker, they look like this, they look like that. Go ahead and let me know. I have plenty of them. Damn, excuse me. I got plenty of those, and I hope you guys have a safe weekend and drive safe out there, stay safe out there. Make sure you guys always have your safety equipment, fire extinguisher. I'm tired of seeing these cars blow up, freaking catch on fire. Make sure you guys have one of those and stay safe. And peace.